Hi, I'm the Busy Bee Mom. Welcome to my sewing channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing some crafts. I was at a garage sale in a little town in Iowa, and this box was on a table. Musty, dirty. It says handcraft kits and lime HYD hydroxide. I don't know. Handcraft kits piqued my curiosity though, so I peeked inside and opened one of the boxes just enough. This is basically a box full of boxes. There's boxes in here, lots of boxes. I opened one just enough to see that it was a craft kit. Not a awesome craft kit, but oh, that's so dated craft kit. But I've got kind of piqued my curiosity, and it said $1 on the lid, and I was like, $1 each or the whole box? She's like, take the whole box for $1. I was like, sold. So I basically bought a whole box full of kind of dated craft kits. So in this video series, we're going to unbox them one at a time, and I'm going to try to assemble it and make it. So I'm going to do a little separate video for each one. This will be the intro for all of them though. And you get to follow along as I explore these craft kits and try to make something beautiful. Time to reach in our box of craft kits and pull out, I think we're up to number 7. This will be the 7th craft kit we've pulled out of the box. So I'll reach in here, pull one off the bottom. There we go. 7th craft kit. Let's see what we got. Okay, I just pulled the instructions out so we don't give away any surprises as you're trying to figure out what we're going to make. So this is our number 7 craft kit. Let's see what we've got. Our foil packets have our liquid stuff. So we have white adhesive, feels rock hard, brown latex satin enamel. What would be latex satin enamel? Brown paint, I guess? That's kind of mushy. It feels like old gum. So clearly not spreadable, but not rock hard. And black polyurethane glaze. So it looks like we got some brown and black paint and some white glue. We've got a plastic clump of fruit with a ribbon. What do you think? This way? This, I think, goes that way. Sandpaper, pieces of wood that are kind of L-shaped, J-shaped. Another piece of wood. Another piece of wood. And another piece of wood. So, these two are the same, but the rest of these are different. Oh, and another piece of wood. Paintbrush. Well, hi. Not right now. A paintbrush that still has bristles. Most of these kits, the bristles are always dried out. So we actually have a functional paintbrush. And that's it. Except for all of our paperwork. Look at all this goodies. What we got in here? We got our film ordering form. So you can send your film in from your camera and get it developed. New income tax information enclosed to do your 1040 tax return for 1975. Oh my goodness. I don't think this is actually from the government. Take a tip from a rich relative. Get into the income tax business. Taxpayers need help. Oh, you could earn. It's a home study training school to help people do their taxes. All right. Hey, I said not right now. So, yeah. This cat, when you try to push him, he just hunkers down. We got silverware. Oh, isn't that pretty? The flowers. 62 pieces, $20. So, yep. Get your cutlery. Oh, and there's steak knives also. Hi, do you need some attention this morning? We got some jewelry. Camelot mini catalog. Some nice pretty things. $3 each item. Some retro jewelry from the 70s. Oh, they got little animals. Frog, bird, butterfly, turtle. If you can see that. Cute. Earrings. Oh my goodness, this stuff's weird. Little flowers in a bottle? Safety pins? Anyway, yeah. Alright, so you can get yourself some groovy jewelry. Oh, I think I have one of these that was my husband's grandma's. Alright, there's that. Anything else for paperwork? We have our information about our identity card for the National Handcraft Society. We have an order form to order more craft kits. Oh, the cornhusk doll craze. Make stuff out of cornhusk dolls. Okay, well, that's about it. So, we'll get all this paperwork out of the way and figure out what we're going to make out of our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of wood, a plastic decorative thing. So, wonder what that's going to be. Dear club friend, it's matchless. Matchbox Planter has a nostalgic charm that kindles memories and ignites decorating sparks. It's ornamented with an exquisitely molded arrangement of fruits, seed pods, and an autumn leaf, all clustered in a graceful ribbon. The finish is warmly antiqued and splattered. Like grandmother's, our matchbox is wooden, holds her box of her kind of matches,
and is home in your kitchen or near the fireplace. Here's a hot tip. Matchbox planter is a striking room accessory or centerpiece. Dress it up with a match mate bouquet. Dress it up with a match mate. Oh my goodness. Dress it up with a match mate bouquet of fall's favorites, beautifully arranged with almost real straw-toned foliage, accented with huge fun and fake matches. Both the Matchbox planter and its separate Matchbox bouquet are listed on your 3-star for postage saver ordering. Sincerely, Nancy Lee, Club Secretary. Copyright 1975, Fad of the Month Club, Division of National Handcraft Institute, Incorporated, Des Moines, Iowa.
And just like that, another project done. I think this is the fastest one I've done. It was pretty quick to do. The last couple ones I've had to do had a lot of painting, and it was like really intricate painting, so it took forever. This thing was so quick and easy. If you don't know what it is, it's a matchbox holder. So there's a picture of it with matches in it, but you could also get some nice fake flowers. They're plastic. Wow, they would have been pretty hideous. What did it say? Almost real straw-tone foliage, so pretty hideous plastic flowers there. So matchbox holder, if you don't know how those work, put your matchbox in, and then you push the inside down. Oh, it's a tight fit in there. And then the matches should like self-dispense. Mine seem to be all oriented the wrong way though. So then you just have your matches quick and handy in the kitchen. Used to be you needed matches in the kitchen for a lot more than just lighting a candle. You'd have to light the stove. And not just talking wood burning stove, but like gas stoves, you had to actually light them. I can remember as a kid, every time we used the oven, we'd have to open up that drawer area and stick your arm, you're on the floor practically laying down, and you have to light the match and stick it up under there, try to get it to light. So having matches handy was a thing. And these are pretty common antique store-wise. I actually have one that was hanging in my kitchen, so you can see this was a thing. So, matchboxes. I don't know that they were a thing in the 70s, but, well, I guess I was a kid in the 70s and we were still lighting. I don't know if we lit it because that's how it was made or because it was broken. I don't remember. So, anyway, Matchbox planter is matchless. Let's do our rating scale. We're going to rate a couple things about this project. Number 1, materials. It is wood. It looks like wood in the picture, and it was wood, so materials are fine. No issues there. And this is plastic, but that is to be expected. So everything was there that you needed. The wood pieces fit together pretty good. So yeah, let's say materials. Well, I wish there was something between okay and really good. I think I'm going to go with okay because this wasn't like real pieces of wood. It's got like, the middle there's that kind of a particle board stuff. So to me, give it a really good, it had to have been like wood through and through. I mean, they're not that big. Can you just give me a chunk of wood without being it like manufactured wood? So we'll just say okay on materials. Makeability, yeah, we'll say really good. It was doable. No issues, no problems. I had the usual problem with not understanding what they wanted. I was supposed to put black glaze over it. I was like, what is glaze? Is that like varnish? So I just used paint. And I didn't think the wood would suck it up because I'd already put a coat of paint on it. It sucked it up. So I was like trying to scrub it off because I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. It was like, I was like, not so much. So mine ended up quite a bit darker than theirs. In hindsight, I wish I had tried the really dark. I think I have some ebony varnish downstairs. I wish I had tried that instead of black paint, but not that I really care all that much. It's not like I'm going to hang it in my kitchen. So materials, where was I? Materials. No, Makeability. We were on Makeability. Really good. They went together. Attractiveness. I'm going to say okay. It's not my thing. It's not, like, horrible. Although it would be horrible with plastic flowers in it. Alright, we're gonna put not very good. Because if you actually put plastic flowers in this, like they recommended, oh, no. Dried flowers, maybe? Matches, maybe? Overall, I'm just going to give this project an okay. It was nothing to get excited about. It's not like, oh, that's so cute. It's like, oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's done. I was gonna mention one of the things I found funny in the instructions. So the instructions are so incredibly detailed. Like, they're not just like, put this in the middle. Like, they're like, measure over this far and up this far, and you know. And then I stepped back and looked at it, and I was like, I don't think that's where it should have gone. I think it should have been over that way, but I did the instructions instead of just eyeing it. Okay, what was I gonna say? I'm so scatterbrained. I had to laugh in the instructions, though, because they said to thin the paint till it was the consistency of heavy cream. That is not something nowadays that instructions would ever tell you. This is from 75, and I'm guessing a lot more people knew the consistency of heavy cream, and most people today, you say the consistency of heavy cream and they're like, what? So I just kind of had to laugh at their comparison there and how times have changed. People don't really use heavy cream. So anyway, if the paint is whipped cream thick, add water a drop at a time until it is the consistency of heavy cream. So there you go. That just clarifies things perfectly. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this project. At least it was a quick and easy one. Have a great day.